Don't care. So many people have met me in town, it's fun, but I'm a very free person. I do what I want to do. When I'm walking to town, because I don't get carried away in a public figure as an ambassador.
Exactly.
For me, that's useless. I'm just an ordinary person who is pursuing an extraordinary purpose. But most importantly, that doesn't change me, that doesn't change anything. It simply makes me one other Zimbabwean. Stay humble. Stay humble. Anyway, next thing after the bus, they're doing foolish things. What one a PA we was on a Maria Rita. I don't even have an executive assistant. Myself, I don't. I manage my own diary. I reply my own emails. I do. Why? Because I realize
importance.
Sense of importance over a door. What are you over a door? Wonder feet over a door, man. Fear of judgment. So stop pretending. Stop pretending. We have to say, one day I saw this guy. I can back of a truck. They're coming from Murewa. From my vegetables. And I'm talking about, this is around about 10, 11 years ago. And this guy, I think has bomber jacket. I was shinging it out of my crates. And I'm like, this is real inspiration. This is one person realized, guys, because today so I should balance. And I want to speak to someone. Anyway, Zimbabwe is one interesting country where
yeah, chirungu. Zimbabwe
things are tough. The indexes are not so good. The opportunities are not ripe. It's tough. Fiscal liquidity constraints. But what that guy inspired me is waking up to that reality. Remember the book that I wrote, No One Is Coming.
No one is coming.
It's understanding, guys, I need to do this. Which is why you celebrate your hustle. Celebrate your hustle no matter how small it may seem to be. Because you know because you know. But you see, we have got a generation that is trying to run away. We're trying to please people who can't be pleased. Third point, Nyama shortcuts. Do you know what this? And one of the things that we find, I wish you knew how heavily borrowed many people are. How right now,
to keep up appearances.
Right now, how far? I was not going to study book. Right now, you start paying $10 for your match. But no problem. Would you somebody get $10? Lima Korea buy a problem. What you find, one of the things we can do. Couldn't turn any more to look at $10, not to die either. What you look at $10 don't offer.
I don't
know, another one is 600. No, I'm not fun on going to station. I just $6. I 6 Leota can some 0.600 over what $6. And I'm like, you're there, so therefore it's $6. But it's $6. You I don't know what I'm going to Agonoska.
And it's not necessary.
Let's correct this. Majority of the people, you don't even need deliverance. Come on. What's all right? Chauda change is a problem. I've been telling people weekend, I don't want to lose because you don't even have the capacity of attracting the devil. I will not have capacity. When was the last time weekend you got a spiritual attack? You couldn't have just as the Jesus. No, not you are. You got a proper spiritual attack. But right now, you find if you sit down with yourself, you have honest conversations. Shortcuts.
What are you audit your life?
Right now, someone who got a cottage is going to Tauriki and I just was down on Zita. That was not in Borodio. What are you buying Borodio? Shortcuts.
Hey guys.
You couldn't suppose that I in this space for the same amount. You can actually get spacious place and do something that is stress free. But nobody knows already. Don't forget where you are coming from. Run away from a quick get rich schemes. Do not quads right now. And one of the biggest things that we find right now in Zim, if you notice the gambling pandemic in Zimbabwe, so we talk about Mutoriro is one of the things that is a national threat. But I also want to show you one thing. In terms of gambling, gambling is now more dangerous than drugs. The level of addiction. yokuti munhu achitongomuka the first thing akangwana mari mumba whether ndianinge atora out on the beach. But why are people doing gambling? Because there was someone who promised them that ukakandai ukabhecha maodzi akamira so unowina. Ndopandati iwe dai zvaibhadhara aufunge here kuti varidzi veshop vakadai vakatovhara vosiri vachibheja varivo.
Yeah.
So
that's a good way to look at it.
We need to be able to be worried about my shortcuts. There's no shortcut to a breakthrough. There's no shortcut. It's a process. There's something called the law of process. Things that don't happen in a day, they happen daily. That's what John Maxwell talks about. So the process, the law of process comes with CISA. I need to move from here to here. That's why Ugapiwa $1 million. That doesn't make you a millionaire. That just makes you a person with $1 million. $1 million requires you to be that type of person. We can actually make it. Which is why from where you are, Kuvane, the honest, practical, real conversations. And I'm going to emphasize practical, real conversations. So, how can we stay true to ourselves? Number one, learn to reflect regularly. When was the last time you had an honest conversation with yourself? When was the last time you I'm sorry. So right now, on a wonder we don't take time to stop and reflect. That's why when are in the wrong direction, they don't need the motivation. They need to stop. Right now, the moment we stop and reflect, okay, do I have the right people in my circle? Honest conversation. Yeah, jealous. She'll tell you the truth. Majority of the time, this is the problem. We surround ourselves with people who we've incapacitated from telling us the truth.
Exactly.
Surround yourself with people you've capacitated. Guys, tell me the truth no matter how ugly it is. But you see, majority of the times, don't take it out and drink. Over what in the opinion. Many people are being celebrated to the grave. So when was the last time you had an honest conversation with yourself? And the next thing, I want us to normalize the culture of embracing the process. Let's embrace the process, not just the results. You see, we live in a generation that is so excited and so obsessed with the results and not process.
Yeah.
So we just want to see weekend that Mercedes. I love your car, by the way. But we don't want to see the weekend before Mercedes. But before that, on the process, I was saving for this. I was working for this. And after a period of time, I was able to afford it. That's called process. In process, you don't fall. Generation here, because we run away from process. And because
people have to see the results.
Yeah. That's why I want to speak to any man of God. Teach people process. Breakthrough is not process. Teach people process. Teach people process.
That's powerful. Yeah.
Teach people process. Why was the Red Sea parted? Process. Because God is taking you from a place which was actually going to be shorter. He's taking you through a longer place. Why? Because that longer route is trying to work on your character. That's called process. And the Red Sea is God fulfilling a promise. But generation on day I receive. What are you receiving?
What are you receiving?
What would receive actually? That's why that message I receive here, it's a very incomplete message. What are you receiving? So weekend the message I don't know who is listening to me right now, but wherever you are, whatever you're doing, that statement is what kept me through university. It's what keeps me now. It's what helps me make better decisions. Because Kwandagava don't go back. Kwandagava, it has to be a place of reference, not a place where you can actually go back. So that's my encouragement to you.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much, Advocate Arther Marara. Getting messages here saying outcome is nothing, procedure is everything. And thank you so much, Advocate Arther Marara. For those who want to get in touch with you.
All right, so you can actually search on WhatsApp for my WhatsApp channel. It's just Arther Marara. Alternatively, if you want to be part of my WhatsApp groups, 078 00555152. 078 00555152. Just a style from Sazajai. I don't reply to that. Then I'll send you a link. Then you can join. You can also follow me on all social media platforms for more inspiration. Otherwise, thank you so much this weekend.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate you, Arthur. We're also live on Facebook. You can go watch and share with someone as well. Ziva Nhamo yako. Star FM. We do this again next week, same time.